Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. How you all doing? So today I'm gonna ask my partner about when we just meet and when we were gonna when we're just gonna meet for the first time. And when I asked him where he was from and he told me, then I told him where I was from. What was he thinking? Yeah. So, you know that night when we just meet and we exchange where we were from?
Yeah.
What were you thinking when I told you I was Jamaican?
Yeah. When you told me you're from Jamaica, I just thought to myself, oh no, Jamaica, well, Caribbean woman. I was just thinking, okay, let's give it a trial until when it ends. I was just hoping it won't end in disaster because I have never ended any relationship in disaster. But I already knew Caribbean lifestyle, so I was just thinking, okay, Jamaican woman. Well, when it ends, and then new adventure start from somewhere else with someone else.
Well, why were you thinking like that though?
Good question. I was thinking like that because I lived in Spain for a long time, and I lived with Caribbeans, Dominican Republic people, Colombians. Spain is like little America. Everyone lives in Spain, so we all know the Caribbean lifestyle. Yeah, there is nowadays you can hardly find a family, a complete family in the Caribbean lifestyle. Complete family, I mean a man, a wife, and children. It doesn't exist anymore. It's only, you know what I mean.
In African culture, you still find that a lot too.
Yeah, yeah. Even in Spanish culture, because Spanish people, they still have those kind of maintain old culture. In Spain till today, you have a man and wife, and all their children is from all of them.
So you basically say Jamaican never really stay long in a relationship with nobody?
Not only Jamaican, but Caribbean lifestyle. Yeah, they don't stay long in relationship. So when I saw you from Jamaica, I said, okay, just let's see if it will work for maybe a month or some weeks.
Only a month? You only give me a month?
Yeah.
Okay, let me tell you something. There's Jamaicans and there's Jamaicans. It's different type of Jamaicans. You have some Jamaicans that would not settle for somebody like you because you're kind of soft, quiet and calm. You know, more of a gentleman.
Yeah.
And so those are the type of person that come from Kingston. You ever hear about Kingston in Jamaica?
Mm-hmm. Uptown.
Yes, uptown.
Capital city.
Those are the people that class them country people. People like me that come from country, they say, oh yeah, country girl man, you know, the man them will call you country, and the Kingston man mostly want to date Kingstonian girl, you know. Kingston girl just only want to date Kingstonian man. Yeah,
because their behavior is more or less the same.
Yes. So unlike me, they probably think that I want country boo-boo, fool somebody.
Yeah.
So the most time the country girl, people who come from the country, they will date people like you.
Yeah.
You know, just like you have the village girl in Nigeria.
Yeah.
Yes. So me more would be like a village girl. I like nice, calm, quiet, peaceful life. You know.
Not drinking.
No drink, no man. Yes, cause me no drink, me no smoke. You know, like the man them would drink and smoke and baby. Them pants drop down at them body. They have weed and smoke and you know them kind of lifestyle. So you moral of the story is I can't judge every Jamaican. Every Jamaican is not the same. You understand?
Yeah.
Everybody is not the same.
If you don't dive deep into some societies or into some cultures, you will not know deep. You will only believe in what you see, or you will only believe in your experience, and then you will always think all are the same. Even me, coming from a place as notorious as Nigeria, I know how people think about Nigeria, and they always believe all Nigerians are the same.
So that is it, because when I used to live here in England, I said I wouldn't date any Nigerian man. So it's just the same. I would say that, yeah, Mr. I'm not going to date no Nigerian man. understand. And when you tell me say they're a Nigerian man, me like, what? Really? No, sir. You know, but me find out some you're compatible.
Yeah.
Me find out some you're kind of match. You know, me find out say come like, if on the first time me meet him, I just know say yes, this is a person for me. You understand?
Yeah.
I say they feel for me. So you see? Yeah, so sometimes people them when you say you're not going to date, and then the people they end up with. So that's why you're not going to say, oh, we're not going to date. Because me sure no say never see yourself a date on Jamaican
No
woman.
way.
I didn't see myself dating a Nigerian man neither, to be honest.
It is always not good. It is, people used to say never
True.
never say never, because you don't know what the future holds for you.
But there's a point in my life where I told my daughter, countryman, that she shouldn't be dating. A Nigerian was on the top list. So when I start dating him, my daughter said, oh, so you said I shouldn't date any Nigerian, but you end up with one.
Yeah, she said so, right?
Yeah, but guys, from I meet him, I knew he was the person for me, you know.
Yeah, I wasn't having any confidence at all, because I've had experiences and I know what Caribbean ladies expect, most of them expect from a man.
What they expect, Robert, because I don't know.
Most Caribbean ladies expect a kind of loud men, controlling men. They believe that is what gives them confidence, or what they should be proud
and
of.
some of them love when the man beat them too.
Yes, they believe.
They like man. Some of them love when the man abuse them.
Yeah, I don't know if I've shared this story with you before, but I dated a Brazilian lady that broke up with me simply because she said I'm too good. You know, she said I'm too good, and because of that, it's not going to work out.
Oh, you know? So she not trust herself. That's why.
I think
she
so.
know what she up to. That's why she say you're too good. Our guilt.
Yeah, I was asking her why. I was asking her maybe it's because I'm black. She said no. And then later on, when she went back to Brazil and married a kind of not chocolate color, a kind of mixed Brazilian, she sent me the picture and told me, look. She said, look, I finally married this person. It's not because I'm black. She said this person now is considered black in their place, but she still married him. But just simply because I was too good.
Yes, so some women stay there. Some women like the rough man and they beat up on it. You know, they don't like peace, they like problem.
The girl could even see this video, because this video, this clip, and if she sees it,
well, thank you, Brazilian lady, for leaving him for me. All of who don't take him, me glad. Thank you. I'm enjoying him.
So because of that, I've had so many experiences. Because of that, I never ever thought of having a Caribbean as my life partner, someone to settle down with and stay. Because I know my lifestyle is gentle, quiet, peaceful, and slow and steady. I know that. And I know also that there are women that always need constant activity for them to, feel the relationship is working. There are women that need always a kind of activity. You need like battery. They have to be charged most of the times. If you're not charging the battery, you're not what they want. I know that. So I don't have that energy.
Yeah, so guys, this is just a small video. I'm gonna end this video now. Yeah, if you wanna know how we meet, then you can comment down below, because we haven't dropped that part yet. Yeah, we're going out.
And because of that belief I have, that's why I wasted a lot of years thinking if I marry from Africa, I will get well-behaved, cool-headed women, because that's what I thought. I thought my nice, slow, gentle life is not up to the standard of these days women. As side of Africa. So I wasted how many years? 9 years. Well, 9 plus 9, 18 years, eh? I wasted 18 years thinking if I'm looking for a wife, it should be from Africa. 18 good years. Something like that, yeah.
So guys, you know, when I meet him and I go around some of his friends, they ask me, oh, you Jamaican, you don't drink. They can't believe that I don't drink. Because they think every Jamaican drinks, smoke and wild. You know, they think all of us is wild. But because they don't really know anything about Jamaica, so people can say what they want to say. They don't understand there is different parts in Jamaica and there are different people live different lifestyle, you know. It's just like Africa where you have city, country, you know, the touristical places. So everybody live different lifestyle. So they don't know. So they just put everyone in the same basket. That is it. Sometimes it's not good to judge. Because I thought every Nigerian was woo and, you know, too much in their culture, too Nigerian and everything.
Too tricky, scammers.
Yeah, but he's different. So you can't judge a person until you get to know them properly. That is it.
So just like as I said before, if you don't dive deep into a society or into a certain culture, you won't find out what is involved. At the same time, anybody that believes that this culture is like this without diving deep, you won't blame them, because we always believe what we see, you know, or what we hear. Because actually, just like as I said, I had experience with Caribbeans in Spain.
Have you ever dated a Caribbean?
Well, Brazil is considered, if Brazil is considered Caribbean,
No,
yes.
it's not.
Okay, Dominican Republic is considered Caribbean,
Not
right?
that kind of Dominican. That's Dominican Republic, and he's talking the one that speak Spanish and they look Asian. Not Dominica. He's talking Dominica Republic.
Yes, the one that share boundary with Haiti.
Yeah, but then don't call them Caribbean though.
Yeah, Caribbeans.
I don't know that because when I Google it, it didn't say there was Caribbean, so I don't know.
Well,
I know Dominican, the black ones are Caribbean, but those Asian looking one is not. So you can't, guys, he was using those ones to judge Jamaican because he thinks all of us was wild, you know. Until when I go Spain and I saw that person, he said it's Dominican, and I said, don't you speak English? He's like, no, for my English. But the other Dominican, they speak English, but those ones don't speak nothing but Spanish. So you can comment and explain, because I don't want to be wrong, but I don't think they are Dominican Republic, not Dominican.
Wait, how about the Haitians? Are they not considered Caribbeans?
No.
How are they considered?
I don't know, but I know like Trinidad, Barbados, Dominica, not Dominica Republic, St. Lucia, St. Vincent, and the Bahamas.
Yeah.
You know, those places are Caribbean.
Okay. Well. Even if I've not dated a Caribbean, seeing them on social media alone,
You can't judge them either.
oh, that is.
You can see some girls on social media really wild, but in relationship they are really good.
But that
And
is.
they still have some Jamaican man too. It's just like you. Nice.
I can hardly believe it exists.
No, like my ex, he's like you. The only difference is wild.
You see?
It's bad. It's bad. He have whole heap of woman, but he's really calm, gentle. He don't drink. He don't wild. He don't go party. He don't beat.
That means the Caribbean in him is still there.
Yeah, that's what the ego now. We think every man have that too. Maybe if you get the opportunity, if you go wild, you will do it too.
That's one thing different.
Yeah, you say now go try nobody else. Only me.
Of course. Since I've got you,
He said he's not gonna eat. He will never cheat. He will just stick to me.
Since I've got you, it has been only you.
Yes, because when you're England now and it's boring, but make you get the opportunity for me send you go Jamaica by yourself. Make you keep on go Jamaica by yourself, Look. Yes, man. Make me keep on and send you go Jamaica by yourself. Then you will find out if you're perfect or if you're holy.
Wait, you know.
Am I lying, guys? Nobody no perfect. No man no perfect.
Listen.
If he can get the opportunity, he will. And he can't say no.
Listen, I don't want to say no, because if I say never, the temptation might come to prove me wrong.
Exactly.
So that's why no one should ever say never. Never say never. You know? But there are two different things. If I want is a different thing, and if the temptation come and conquer me is another different thing. You know? Yeah. But I will not purposely start looking for a relationship with any other woman while I'm with you at this age and at this juncture, and with all the circumstances surrounding us. I'm satisfied and I want to be with you because I have gone wild, and it's okay for me. I have been lucky to have gone all this wild and still be myself.
Okay, I understand you. I understand you clearly. But don't ever say never. And don't judge those men that you see behave like this, because nobody is perfect. Even though I not took for them. But I am telling you.
Mean the man or
yes, man. Yeah, I don't think woman should cheat. I don't think woman should be cheat. Like, I don't believe in that. It's one man at a time. For me, it's one man at a time. Yeah, but man, no. Them, we kind of understand how life work with man. But me not encourage nobody forget me. But me not go say, but we said never. Because I can guarantee you, if you was somebody were used to Jamaica, like some Nigerian that married and they go down and up and down. You know, then one day, temptation that come away, that because Jamaica, that you know, even Jesus then we make cheat. You know Jesus? Even Jesus then we make cheat down at the place there.
You mean like if no matter how nice and gentle and holy someone
you say even the priests.
You mean if you're living in Jamaica?
Yes.
Or within Jamaican community?
Yes, if you travel from back and forth. Yes. You understand?
Yeah.
That is it. That's why when we go to Jamaica, we make sure some roll and find you. You know they want them because they make you one little chance and the girl them down the sweet. Me not tell you like the girl them at Jamaica they more sweet and they talk calm and more than we will live a foreign, you know. None I understand why man go ladies, we that live in Europe, I understand why our man go to Jamaica and cheat. Because the way how we behave and adapt to this European system and culture and the way how we talks. The girl in Jamaica, they talk more homely, more calmly, more sweet. Even me as a woman, me I look on them and me admire them like wow. No wonder why the man they gone to them. So yes, they look more sweet here. So they will take for your man.
But no matter how sweet they talk, listen to women from Latin world, Latin America, including this Dominican Republic, I'm telling you, or Colombia. Oh my God, it is there like there is some nice tones in their natural voice.
No, and the voice, and even
combined with the language, and combined with the word that they are used to, you know, very sweet. Latin American ladies.
The reason why I said that though with Jamaican girls, yeah, if you look like why the Jamaican man they go down to them, yeah, they can talk like they can manage them, they can control them more better than they want them over here. Do you get what I mean? Yes, they more calmer, they talk so nice. You know, they talk like they can't mash hands, but behind can't mash hands there, if they hold in the bed, remember me tell you, you want to think say them mouth. You know them mouth match up to them. That part there.
To the machine.
To their machine. Yeah. So when I go to Jamaica, I observe them a lot. And now I see why a lot of men leave from Europe and go back there and fall in love with them. Yeah. Until then move them come to England and then they're here a long time like me now. Then they must start, you know? Yeah. Because I'm sure when you go to Jamaica, you see how they talk. You see Tanisha talk different from me, not true?
Tanisha?
Yeah, the girl we rent car from.
Oh yeah.
They say, oh, she talk like calm.
But Tanisha, well, maybe it's because I have already had.
I'm not saying, I'm just saying, if you see how they then talk down there, everybody, you see, you notice the difference, innit?
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. Yeah.
But baby, see, I have had many experiences with Spanish and Latin people, and they are so sweet. So that is why I find it difficult to see any Jamaican lady talking sweet. because they are not as sweet talk as
Not the
Latin
voice,
boys.
you know, get it's just
I
the way they talk,
understand.
the humbleness in them voice. That's what I'm talking
I
about.
understand.
And man don't like woman with too loud, too shouty.
Or
So when
like
they
a woman that is trying to show strength or authority.
Yes. So when man come across this kind of woman, they get them themselves get weak to them as well. So that's what
the men
I'm
feel like this is what I want.
Yes, this is what
a
I want.
feminine feature.
Yes, I don't want this where they are England, another one I want. You know they want yeah. So that is it, guys. So moral of the story is don't judge somebody from where. Don't judge somebody from where they're from. Yeah.
Don't judge somebody by where they are from, by their nationality.
Yes.
But try to know them deep before concluding, before judging. And even if they are not nice person, try to know why they are not nice person. You know, some people could be washed, some people could be cleaned, some people could be repaired, no matter how damaged they are.
And I think none of them do wash and repair.
I'm trying to wash you now, because you talk over me many times, and now you have just said it in the video that men doesn't like women that shows authority.
But
so
me not do that to you all the time though. So
yeah, but you talk over me.
Me not talk over you. Me try not make you talk all the time. Me try cut you when you talk. That's what you should say. Don't come talk like you think make people think me bad. But you know something not bad.
You're not bad.
You know something me nice.
You're a very nice person.
Yeah.
But just that, try to talk why someone has not yet made his point.
That's what you should say now.
Okay.
Yes, that's what you should say.
So gentle by gentle, I might pinpoint all those places to you, and gentle by gentle, you might start knowing that it's true, and you might start taking
all the time, though. Not all the time.
Yeah, it's not all the time.
But you still so too.
No,
you're not perfect.
I'm a good listener.
Yeah, but you're not perfect. Yeah, you're a good listener, but you love to debate. You love to debate. You use one small something and you debate it out really long.
Yeah, debating and dialoguing.
So sometimes we have to cut him. Sometimes we have to cut him. You can just give him one little something and instead you just make it short. You want to make it too long.
That is conversation.
Yes,
and
but
dialoguing.
Too long. We don't have that patience.
Yes, you see, patience is needed in this life, eh?
Yeah.
Patience.
Guys, you know that we Jamaican don't really have so much of a patience, and you know that too. So.
Patience and control is needed. Control mostly, because no matter how powerful you are, if that your power doesn't have control, it turns to risk. All the power is just, not just useless, but turns to risk.
Can we end the video now? That's too long. Okay. You see, I want to end the video, but he's talking and talking and talking. Guys, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, share our videos to people. Yeah, and if, as I said again, if you want to know how we meet, comment down below and we will make that video. But if you don't ask, you will never know. Thanks for watching.
Big up my Jamaican people. Me, I come Jamaica very soon. Me go see all of you. We go yam, fried dumpling, ackee and saltfish.
Yes, ackee and saltfish and green banana. Guys, all these food you see me cooking them, I don't cook them really. We mostly cook rice and chicken. That's how England style is. So I'm just trying him with different kind of my food, and I'm trying to get into his food. So it's not like I've been talking to him and I don't cook this food yet. So I'm gonna cook. Somebody said I should cook him green banana and ackee and saltfish. Yeah. I'm gonna do that. Turn caramel with curry chicken. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do all those things that you comment on our food videos.
And when I come to Jamaica, I go yam tripe again.
Tripe and beans.
Tripe and beans. And I go drink my
dragon.
My dragon again. And the stripe again. Oh, that's beer. It's called stripe.
Red stripe beer.
Red stripe beer.
And you go drink ganja tea.
Yeah, I go make another ganja tea.
And continue to follow the A1M.
So thanks to all our Jamaican subscribers, everyone that comment. We see your comments. We see everyone that comment.
And thanks to all our American subscribers.
British subscriber. Thanks to everybody. When
we are come America, we are going to let you know. You see me, I talk a little bit of patois next year, me I go learn how to
Keep right
talk
after 1 kilometer and continue to
Bomboclat,
follow the A1M.
Bomboclat,
Bumbo clot. And what the other one in India first?
that's what I'm thinking about.
Blood clot.
Yeah,
Just a
blood clot. Me I go talk blood clot, Christy, you know blood clot.
Alright, it's okay, no bother with it. Don't pay him no mind.
Oh my god.